Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to complete this particular composition. In my previous video we have covered this particular flower. We have learned everything about it, how we can draw these things easily. So if you want, you can get a link into my description section for this video. Now in today's video we are going to draw a butterfly to complete the whole composition. So let's start with today's video. The process is same like how we are going to draw everything, but what we can do little extra for the butterfly that we are going to learn today. So let's create a basic guideline for the butterfly first. So you can have a triangle kind of pattern like this, and then add a bigger triangle next to it having two different space. So basically I'm creating three triangle in a different way, but you can consider it as two triangle, and for the bigger triangle I am dividing it into half. So I'm keeping the side perspective of butterfly, that's why we are needing something like this. And then instead of a straight line you can have a curved line, and you can create the first wing, and then for the other two triangle we are going to add two more wings, and the last wing are little bit in a round shape. So you are seeing three portion and one portion is hidden, and at the base you can draw a small body shape. So this is the basic guideline for the butterfly and two small antennae, and that's all we needed as a part of guideline or as a part of basic butterfly structure. Couple of legs at the base of the body. Now let's trace everything quickly with the help of pen. I'm using 04 needle pen for the outlining, and I'm outlining it. This is the perfect time if you want to do anything different as compared to what you have done with the help of pencil. Like this particular portion I have added little different shape. Now around the body area you can add a pattern of stripes kind of pattern, you can say, around the body area, and basically we are adding little texture around the body area to make it little darker and to get little texture as well. Now for the antenna you can have a very fine line like this and a small dot at the tip. So that's all we needed as a part of tracing, and then with the help of fine pen you can have legs at the base. Rub all the unwanted pencil mark and do some cross hatching around the upper portion of the body to finish. Now let's do the wing. So with the help of 02 pen I am creating these teardrop kind of shape around all the three wings that we have. Few are smaller in size, few are little longer, as you can see. So little variation you can add in this particular area. Now in between area I need little darker color, so I am doing some shading with very soft hand from body towards the outward direction. So you will get a little darker color around the body area and soft shading towards the upward direction. So this is something very important step to learn, because this is the process we are going to repeat many times. Now with the help of fine pen you can add more lines like this, but if you have fine pen it is better to do these kind of things with the help of fine pen. But if you are using ball pen, don't worry, do it with the help of ball pen also, it's totally fine. You might see little variation into the final step, but it is okay to have something like this as well. Now around the edge of the wings you can add little zigzag pattern and create one more line, not very straight line, but having a zigzag line, you can say a fine zigzag line. And then with the help of pen itself you can start adding some dark patches in between. So I'm doing it with the help of pen just to show you how you can do it with the help of fine pen as well. Otherwise you can use the biggest pen in your set and you can do it easily. So I have added all these patches in between the wings, and then I'm going to add these patches around the edge as well, in between the two lines that we have created around the edge. So do it throughout the butterfly that you have, and take all your time to do all these things. Do it slowly and carefully. You don't have to match my speed. As I said, I do sometimes show these things in a little bit speed way to save my time, so do not match my speed, and I would suggest take a pause and do it slowly and carefully. Now with the help of 02 pen, I am adding these soft lines throughout the butterfly wing. So around the corner you will see little darker shade, and throughout the wing area you will see a soft shading, because we are doing it very softly with fine pen. So creating hatching is very different, wherein we do create lines and those are very hard lines. These are very soft line. I am doing it very softly and creating these lines throughout the butterfly. Now add some more sections around the edge. So basically it should look like we have some dark color section and light color section as well, or white color sections as well. And if needed you can add little extra shading and detailing to make it little darker. And see how beautiful this butterfly is. Now we are almost done with all these steps for this particular video. Now with the help of bigger brush, this one is the biggest one, I am adding little darker patches around the corner like we did for the flower as well, and towards the base of the wing as well. This step helps us to elevate our drawing a little bit, but if you don't like something like this, don't do it. And if you want to have little darker color around the outline, you can definitely add something like this to finish. And that's all we needed for the butterfly. I hope this video is easy and simple to follow, and please check the description section for the flower video as well. And please do let me know if you guys have any kind of feedback for me, and thank you so much for watching my videos. See you all in the next video with one more simple tutorial.